Is there anyone today whose enemies still call them honest? Can you imagine someone so trustworthy that even those who oppose him trust his word? That man was Prophet Muhammad, known even by his fiercest enemies as Al-Sadiq, the truthful, and Al-Ameen, the trustworthy. And indeed, you are of a great moral character. Surah Al-Kalam, 68:4. This is not a follower praising their prophet. This is the word of Allah testifying to his noble character. When Prophet Muhammad stood on Mount Safa and said, "If I told you there was an army behind this mountain ready to attack, would you believe me?" They replied, "Yes, we've never heard you lie." Think about that. People who didn't believe in his message still believed in his words. When Abu Sufyan, a non-Muslim at the time, met Heraclius, the Roman emperor, the emperor asked, "Does Muhammad lie?" Abu Sufyan said, "No, he never lies." Heraclius replied, "If he doesn't lie to people, he would never lie about God." Even the emperor recognized the moral foundation of prophethood. He was trusted with people's wealth even after declaring prophethood. Enemies left their belongings with him for safekeeping. His honesty in trade was so legendary that people would say, "If Muhammad is selling it, it must be pure." We live in an age of fake news, manipulation, and broken trust. People lie for fame, power, and profit. But 1400 years ago, there stood a man who said, "Speak the truth, even if it is bitter." He didn't lie for benefit, not even to save himself. The world is thirsty for truth, longing for honesty, crying for justice. And Prophet Muhammad was the embodiment of all three. If we want to restore truth in our lives, we must study the life of the man called the Truthful One. Learn about the man whose truth shook empires, softened hearts, and changed the world. Subscribe, explore, and share the legacy of the most honest human in history, Prophet Muhammad.